What if there was a remote control to switch on or switch off your house bulbs? Or have you ever felt a need to install different colors of light in your house based on different situations, like white light for studying, night light for sleeping, yellow dim light for spending time with the family members, and celebrations like light for different celebrations like birthday, anniversary, etc.? If the answer is yes, then in today's video I'll talk about such a technology which is called as LED smart bulb. Hello guys, my name is Suchi and I create videos on latest home technology and product review. If you want to stay updated with the latest or modern technology, then please subscribe to my channel now for such informative videos. Never know which technology can transform your life. Please check out my channel for other cutting-to-edge tech gadgets, for example dishwasher, robot vacuum cleaner, treadmill, mobile headset, etc., for which I have shared my honest review after my own personal experience of using it. Before moving ahead, I would like to thank you all for watching my 40 plus videos with 70,000 views so far. My aim is to reach 1000 subscribers in next 1 month. So please help me in reaching this milestone by subscribing to my channel now if you haven't done so far. Now let's talk about today's topic, which is smart LED bulb, for which link will be given in the description box. I'm going to structure this video in 3 parts. The first is unboxing, then demo, and then installation of MI LED smart color bulb. Now let's start with unboxing. Ta-da! Now let's demo the smart bulbs features one after another. So the first feature is remote power on and off via internet. So you can switch on and off the light. See, you can switch on the light by using your mobile phone app. It's useful when you went into bed without switching off the light of the house. You can switch off the light while sleeping, or suppose you went to the office without switching off the light, then you can remotely switch off home's light via internet. So I can switch on and switch off as well. So you can see. Next feature is change color of bulb. Using mobile app, you choose any form of color from 16 million options. So you have to swipe left and right, so you can see. So it's changing color. So this is from pink to purple to blue to green, yellow, and then red. Very useful to me while taking care of my baby in night, like for changing the diaper. Next feature is brightness. You can change the brightness of the color of bulb by swiping up and down. So you can see this is at the maximum brightness, and then I can minimize the brightness whenever required. So this is the minimum brightness. Next feature is favorite templates. So MI has provided some pre-configured templates, you can see. So for example, according to the mood, if sunrise is there, sunrise mood, and then sunset, movie, birthdays, date night. So these are the few favorite MI templates. So we can also save some particular custom light color as our favorite. Next feature is color flow. So here is the option of flow. Here you can set 4 different colors and it will automatically change. See, you can see I have set blue, pink, red and green, and it's changing automatically. So this is one great option in this bulb. Colors will keep changing after 1 second of intervals. So you can see how the colors are changing. So if you want to keep your bulb in white color, you have this option white here. So you can see, and yeah, here also you can change the brightness by this vertical line. So whenever in night, if you're using, you can just reduce the brightness and it will work like a night bulb. And then you can also change the color and use it, like you can see red, yellow, green. You can see all over in my room the different colors. This is again red. You can see this green. It's so beautiful. Next feature is schedule. So you can set a schedule to automatically switch off light after 15 minutes. So you need to select from here and then timer. So you can just select, like if you want to switch off the light after 15 minutes automatically, you can just set the time here and it will automatically get switched off. Like I have selected 1 minute, and after 1 minute it will get switched off automatically. This feature is voice assistant. If you have Alexa or Google Assistant at your home, you don't need to open mobile phone also. Just speak in the room to switch on and off light. Right now I don't have Google Home to show, but it is about warranty and durability. You will get 1 year of warranty and 11 years of life. Talking about portability and installation, Beat 2 Indian holder base can plug and play anywhere in the house. You can control multiple lights using single phone app. Moving to installation step, let me clarify that I am not promoting MI brand here. You can buy any other brand smart bulb with similar features and lesser price. For example, Syska, Wipro, Philips, Halonix, etc. Bought MI smart bulb mainly because I already have MI home app installed on my phone due to MI smart camera which I have purchased earlier. Controlling multiple devices using one centralized app is more convenient rather than using multiple apps. Now I'm going to connect the device with the Wi-Fi. Before that, you have to reset the device. So out of this option I have selected bedroom. So wherever you want to keep the bulb, you can select those out of these options, any one of them. And now I'll do next. So here the option comes rename the device, and then again next. So you can see the screen, it's ready to start. So I'll click here, let's get started. So I'll agree the legal information here, and now you can see it's ready. So you can choose the colors. See, you can choose the color like this. If you found my video informative, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with Suchi Stream.